If you watched the most recent video I posted with this machine, I installed the 1.5 mod gear conversion from Vitavon. I'm not sure if it's pronounced Vitavon or Vitavon. Let me know in the comments down below. But we're out today to test it for the very first time with the 1.5 mod gears. So before running the 1.5 mod gears, I was trying to run the belt drive system from PNWRC Madness, which unfortunately just had a lot of issues and was not worth the headache in my personal opinion. That's why I decided to go with the Vitavon 1.5 mod gear conversion. That is a 20-tooth pinion and I believe a 35-tooth spur gear. The nice thing is it comes with a whole new spur gear shaft. It comes with the kit, as well as a sleeve right here that sits right down in there, and it has a bearing that holds the front part of the spur gear shaft to help support it, which is nice. I also had to replace the rear bulkhead in the last video because the last time I ran this with the belt drive, we stripped the input gear. We partially stripped the center diff. So I replaced the center diff. It stripped out the screws in this spur gear cover. We're back out today to test it and see how it holds up with the 1.5 mod gears. Now this kit comes in right around $90 to $100. I'll go ahead and leave it linked down below. So it's not cheap. It's pretty expensive, but I'm tired of stripping gears. I wasn't going back down to mod 1 size gears, so this was the next best move to make, is the 1.5 mod gears. Still running the 1100 kV Hobbywing motor. We're still running the Hobbywing Max 6 ESC, which might be a little underpowered to push around a motor this big. This is a 1/5 scale motor, but it's not very hot today. It's only like 65 degrees out, so I'm crossing my fingers we don't have any heat issues. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, hook it up. We're going to be running 2 4-cell packs. Let's see, 2 of the 6500 milliamp 60C discharge rate Yomi power packs. Let me get them thrown in and we'll see how this thing does. Also got some ramps set up over here, so we're going to jump this thing. Got it all powered up, so here we go. Definitely has a different noise with the thicker gears. I think let's maybe start off with a couple launches and then we'll go right to the ramps over here. Ready, get set, go! Around the tree, we'll do a flyby. Let's bring her in. I want to do another launch real quick. By the way, if you're enjoying my content, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe and hit that bell if you have not yet already, because I release videos on a very regular basis. I also travel for work all over the country. I bring my RC cars with me and film YouTube videos, so you do not want to miss out on new content. All right, another launch. Are you guys ready? Get set, go! She's struggling for traction. I feel like if I go full throttle the whole time, we might blow a tire open. I don't have an extra one with me, so I have to go a little bit easy on it. Okay, flyby. All right, let's go hit these ramps. Line her up. So far, everything's sounding good. Haven't had any issues with the gears. Let's hit it again. Ooh. Bounced a little bit on that one. Let's get her tip back over and keep on ripping. We should probably bring it right at me. All right, and here we go. Nice. All right, we'll spin around, we'll hit her again. Ooh. That hurt. I do need to point out I didn't have a chance to fully charge these batteries up. These batteries are only partially charged, so we are not going to get a full rip in, unfortunately. I decided to come out here real last minute before it gets dark. Didn't have enough time to charge my batteries all the way up, unfortunately, so that happens sometimes. Let's hit the ramp again. Here we go. Nice. Bring her back. Another flyby. Gosh, this thing, X-Maxx, my favorite RC. There's no secret about that. Almost hit the bush. I wonder if that's coming across on camera, the noise it's making. Let's do a solid flyby from all the way over there. So we're gonna take it up there, around that tree, spin around, bring it down. Here we go. I'm pinned. And easing off the throttle. Spin around, bring it back for a flyby. On the brakes, around the tree. Got a decent amount of air there. Also, in the last video, I installed a heavy-duty center drive shaft from Integy. So far that's holding up good. Let's go ahead, let's hit the ramp again. Nice. I want to do another launch real quick. Alrighty, you ready for another launch? Ready, get it, go! And it killed our power. Let's see if we have a light blinking. Like I said, it's not hot out today. It's like 65 degrees, so it feels very nice fall weather at this point. But like I said, these batteries also weren't fully charged. So ripping around here a few times, we've probably been going for close to 10 minutes. There's no light on the ESC though. And actually these wires don't even feel that hot. So far, I'm feeling better about, now that the ESC fan's working, about it being able to keep this motor cool. So far, everything's looking good with the gears. Looks like maybe the pinion gear slid backwards a little bit. Doesn't look like it's fully in contact with the spur gear like I had it, but it's still coming pretty good contact with it. I think we'll get the, I'll just get the, since there's no, I don't know why I did that. Seemed to have cut the power, but we don't have any lights on. Now it, let's see, do we have a light now? Okay, now we do have a light. And this is red blink, so red blink is probably low voltage detection. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. I know it was very, very short because unfortunately these batteries were not fully charged, but if you did enjoy it and you like the way the Vitavon gears perform, go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video because we're gonna have this thing out again, hopefully very soon, and more bashing to come. We're gonna do some real hard bashing to test out these gears. So thanks for watching, see you later.